Okay, Mark just drew out this problem, and I'm answering it. What is it? What do I need to do?
Okay, so you're gonna draw the parent function. So what is x squared? How do you graph x squared?
Like this.
Yeah, it's a parabola.
Yeah.
And then if it, then what do you do with this equation? If g of x is equal to y.
So it's negative, so it's gonna be upside down and it's squared. It's gonna be another parabola.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna go to the right because it's a negative.
Yes, it is. Yep.
Right. And so
What is the vocabulary for the transformations?
translated.
So yeah, translated.
Right. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, I'll just do it reflected.
It reflected. No, it reflected upside down.
Over the y-axis, so.
Yeah, over the
Yeah.
y-axis. And then, what else did it do?
It translated 3 to the right.
Good. So yeah, that's that one done. Does this just hyphenate translated? So Parker just wrote me out this problem. I'm gonna solve it real quick. So -4, r, and -8, 3, and then m equals -5. So first I'd go with 3 minus r on the top because it's y, and then -8 plus 4 equals -5. So then we simplify. 3 minus r is over -4 equals -5. And then you'd go 3 minus r, and you'd multiply everything else by -4 because it's on bottom. So and then it equals positive 20. Then you subtract 3 to both sides. Subtract 3 to both sides, and get -r equals positive 17, right? Yeah. And then you get r equals -17. Okay, so for this one, first we'd want to graph the parent function, which is y equals absolute value of x. So that would just be a V-shaped line, just like that.
Because it's the absolute value.
Yeah, because it's absolute value. And then for the other function, it'd be y equals half the absolute value of x minus 3. So you automatically know that you go down 3 on the y-axis. So you'd put a point there. So then when you have a half, you dilate thinner, right? So it'll be like this. Or would it dilate wider? It'd dilate thinner, yeah. So it'd be
no wider, sorry.
Wider, yeah. Yeah, wider. So it'd be like more like this. Because it's wider than the first one. So that's what it would look like.
Alright, now like write out the transformations.
Okay, so the transformation.
There's 2 different transformations.
It translated down 3 on the y-axis.
Because of the -3,
and then it dilated wider. It dilated wider because of the half x.
Yeah. And also, like, when it's, like, 2 or a whole number like that, like, something greater than 1, it's going to be thinner. And when it's less than 1, it's going to be wider.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Right.